Hi, hello students. Very good morning to you all. Welcome to the online platform of Satyam Group of Institutions. Students, I hope that you all are staying cool and safe at home. So, we are just studying about cell organelles in previous classes. We are just studying about cell organelles in previous classes. Let us continue with same topic. Let us continue with same topic, and our today's topic is vacuoles. And our today's topic is what? Vacuoles. Vacuoles is most important cell organelles in the case of plant cell. Vacuoles is most important cell organelles in the case of plant cell, because in the plant cell because in the case of plant cell vacuoles are large. Because in the case of plant cells vacuoles are large. So so if we are seeing the both plant and animal cell, we can see there the structure of vacuoles are very large in plant cell in comparison to animal cell. अगर हम लोग कंपैरिजन के तौर पे अगर हम लोग देखें कि तो प्लांट सेल के अंदर क्या होगा कि वैक्यूल्स का जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा वह लार्ज होगा, किसके बशर्ते एनिमल के सेल के अंदर, है ना। एनिमल सेल के बशर्ते प्लांट सेल में क्या होगा, वैक्यूल्स का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वह लार्ज होगा. So the structure of vacuoles is very large in plant cell and it will have cell shape So cell shape is very important. Because it's able to maintain osmotic pressure. And turgor pressure and turgidity of cell right. So vacuoles is also a membrane bound cell organelles. Here we can see it. Vacuoles is also a membrane bound cell organelles. So the membrane of vacuoles is known as what? Tonoplast. So the membrane of vacuoles is known as what? Tonoplast. Here it is mentioned. And it's having central vacuoles. And it's having what? Central vacuoles. And central vacuoles contain anthocyanin in some of the plants. Central vacuoles contain anthocyanin in some of the plants. What is anthocyanin? It is a pigment which give blue or purple color to the plants, and it acts as antiviral, antioxidant, and antibacterial substances. It acts as antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidant substances. So it is a structure of vacuoles. So it is now we all the things we discussed about the vacuoles, that is the structure of vacuoles. Now coming to the function of vacuoles. So vacuoles is involved in maintaining the osmotic pressure and maintaining the stability of pH of the cell and maintaining the stability of pH of the cell. So pH maintenance is very important. So pH maintenance is very important in plant as well as in animal cell. So in the case of animal cell, vacuoles are bubbled or empty spaces and very small in size. So it involved in the maintaining of pH in both plant as well as in animal cell. Vacuoles help to maintain the pH of the cell. So this is all about the uh, history of vacuoles. After that, I hope that you all are thoroughly reading the notes as well as assignments and try to make the assignment which I am providing you. If you have any doubt, just ask that doubt in Google Meet classes. Thank you, students. Keep doing the hard work. Be safe at home. Enjoy online classes. Bye.